It is the blizzard of 2017. Can you see it? Well, that's snowing over here. It's hard to tell. Some of the snow is stuck on the window here. Today's blizzard. You got another pane over here. Let's see if I can see anything out there. Hey. There's a plow going over there. Going by. See the truck? That's gonna clean the yard up. Yeah. See if you can see anything. I don't know. It's blowing around and everything. A nor'easter. Northeastern snowstorm. It's a blizzard, actually. You can't see too far. It's going down there. Huh? Just to think, there was absolutely no snow at all before the storm. Actually, like this morning around 9 o'clock, there wasn't any snow at all. In the morning. Now I get all this. Oh, that's it.